Take castor oil, apply and massage it on your eyebrows with a cotton ball for 2-3 minutes. Leave it for overnight, and then wash in the next morning. Do this daily. Pimple treatment hack. Take toothpaste and aloe vera gel in equal quantity. Mix it well, then apply it on your pimple spots with earbuds or finger. Leave it for 3 minutes. Do it every night for best results. Jars labeling hack. Printed text on paper. Stick the package tape. Rub to transfer text. Cut it in a desired size. Soak in water. Rub away the paper. And stick it on jars. Bun and loaf cutting hack. If you want to cut bun or loaf perfectly, then turn it upside down and cut it. Needle sewing hack. In a thread end, apply clear nail polish and sew the needle. Thread will come out easily. Preserving hacks. If you seal the stem of banana with plastic wrap, it will be fresh for longer period of time. Hair dryer hack. If you want to remove stubborn sticker, then heat the sticker's corner with hair dryer. It will peel out easily. Hot knife hack. If you have a big Ziploc bag and you want 2 small Ziploc bags, then heat the knife and cut bag from center. It will automatically seal both bags. Alternative of liquid eyeliner. The best alternative of liquid eyeliner is to use activated carbon and add little quantity of coconut oil in it. Mix it well and then use it. Chapped lip hack. The alternative of lip balm. Take honey, sugar, and olive oil. Mix it well and use it. Nail hole filler hack. You can fill holes by just rubbing the hole with soap bar. Hole in pot handle as a spoon holder. In a kitchen, if you're using a pan with hole, you can use it as a spoon holder by putting spoon on it. Mushroom perfect slice hack. If you want to cut mushroom in a perfect slice, use egg cutter for cutting fine slices. Alternative of cell phone S Pen. If you have lost your cell phone S Pen, here is a solution. Cut a piece of aluminum foil and wrap it in a tip of any pen. It will convert in a cell phone S Pen. Perfect alternative. Clogged drain. In a clogged drain, put some soda and vinegar, and then pour hot water into it. The issue of clogged drain will solve. Rust removing. If you want to remove the rust from your tap and sink, apply ketchup on it, let sit 15 minutes and then clean it. It will remove all rust. If you are having nail problems, apply toothpaste for 5 days on your nails. It will strengthen, whitens and speed up growth. If you have a cracked foot problem, then give a healing foot treatment in a sleep. Apply moisturizer or Vaseline to your damaged and cracked feet, and wear some comfortable cushioned socks and go to bed. That's it. Wake up with smooth feet. If you have to close an envelope and don't have a glue, so there's a clue, you can use toothpaste as an alternative of glue. If gas glass is broken, pick it up by tapping with bread slice. All small particles of glass will stick into it easily.